ito yung mga original or classic na design that came out. So for this one, grabe guys, price is at 2,650 pesos for this very classic original Croc. Nanubabaw kabalin, welcome to Pampanga. Guys, para sa video na to, dinayo po natin ang Porac, Pampanga upang bisitahin ang original branded outlet. So guys, this is located dito po sa Edna David building. And again, we were invited to let you know na yung mga tinitinda po nila dito is number 1, original. And then number 2, wide range of branded items. And number 3, murang-mura po sila comparing to malls and other stores. So, ikutan natin tong lugar na to. Samahan nyo ako. If you are interested to find out yung particular item, message nyo po yung fan page we're gonna be including in this video. So, samahan nyo ako. Let's go! Notice, meron tayong mga New Balance items. May Converse. Meron din tayong Vans. This one is from LeBron James. Meron din tayo ditong mga Nikes. This is for kids, no? Obviously, guys. Under Armour, like this. Another one. This is a Nike. For Converse, kagandahan dito, I think I like the material used. Para siyang gamusa and then stitched. No? Very classic, very old school Converse shoes. Moving forward, again, on this side, we have lots of Nike shoes ranging from, you know, Air Max, you know, Jordan shoes. Ano kayang Jordan to? For those who know, ano kayang version ng Jordan to? When I was in high school or in college, more of a ADIDAS fan ako than a Nike. Stan Smith, Ozelia. Ito yung parang mga alien type na mga nauso na Adidas. Gusto ko naman sila for comfort. Now, on this wall, meron tayong mga flip-flops, mga sandals with the brands of LACOSTE. Meron tayo ditong Puma. We have Jordan. Meron din tayong fit-flap. More CROCS. Ayan, available din sila dito. Mga sandals natin. Mga slip-ons. On the side, mga BIRKENSTOCK. So, dami din nilang mga stock na mga BIRKENSTOCK, guys. Oh, I think I like this. Look at it. Made in Germany. Ooh. I mean, you gotta check it to believe it. Polo. Wow. So, aside from, you know, mga footwear and yung mga apparels and clothing, meron din silang mga watches. Like this one, this is US Polo. Watches for men and women. And then they also have yung mga perfumes such as this. So this is Clinique, Cool Water, for CK, meron din tayo. LACOSTE. You have a variety of choices sa mga perfumes. If you are actually looking for a specific item, ang ginagawa po nila dito, they also do for advance orders. So if you are looking for a particular item na hindi nyo talaga mahanap sa mga stores, sa mga malls, and talagang gustong-gusto nyo talagang magkaroon nun, so make sure to message po yung fan page we're gonna be including here. They might help you find your desired item. Ma'am Casey, anong tawag natin sa mga Crocs na to?
CROCS Mega Crush Sandals.
Mega Crush Sandals. Grabe, ang lalaki.
So, yes po, pero super cutie nila.
Super cutie actually. Oo. Para sa akin, no, pag suot mo to, parang instant beanie ka. No? Tama ba? Ganun? Okay. So, this is priced at 3,995.
But GBITs not included po siya.
So, hindi included yung mga
yes
GBITs na to?
Binabayaran po ng separate.
Okay, so how much are the GBITs?
Start po ng price ng GBITs natin is 150 to 595.
So again, depende yun sa style.
Opo.
And yung
may rubber po kasi, may
rubber and ano to, mga metal.
Metal.
So available naman to with their mga choices. Mga
yes po, pwede naman po kasi tanggalin yan. Like that.
Yes. Ayun, no? So, this in itself actually, napaka-kikay na nila.
Yes,
kasi i-add mo pa sa
yes,
kikay na shoes, talagang instant beanie ka nga naman.
Ito.
Yeah.
Ito, sir.
Parang may unicorn pa siya, at saka may shell. So, nadi-design pala siya.
Yes po.
Again, guys, yung mga store owners natin dito, they are assuring you that when you buy any item here, it's an original item. And, price is comparable.